Hey there, it's Sarah. Ever caught yourself pondering whether a younger woman is secretly drawn to you but found yourself at a loss for clear signs? Today, we're set to unveil those unexpected indicators many older men overlook, which reveal a younger woman's interest. By the close of this video, you'll be equipped to decode these discreet signs, enhancing your understanding of her feelings. Stick around for our bonus tip at the end of our video, which masterfully brings all our insights full circle. It's a pivotal piece of guidance that will refine how you respond to these subtle cues. Make sure you don't skip it. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. Ready to sharpen your perception of her genuine signals? Let's step into this exploration together. 1. Commenting on maturity compared to peers. Ever noticed how conversations can sometimes reveal more than meets the eye? Take, for instance, when a younger woman talks about the people her age. It's not rare for her to mention how the immaturity of her peers can be a bit much for her. Now, on the surface, it seems like a simple venting session about her frustrations, but there's more to it, especially when she's sharing these thoughts with an older man, someone like you. This isn't just chit-chat. It's her subtle way of saying she sees something in you that she doesn't in them. Maturity, stability, a depth of life experience that her peers can't match. When she contrasts her frustrations with the calm, collected demeanor you bring to the table, it's her nod to your qualities. And it's not about putting them down, it's about lifting you up, acknowledging that the qualities you possess are exactly what she finds appealing. So, next time you hear her expressing these sentiments, take a moment to listen to what's between the lines. She's not just seeking a listening ear for her grievances, she's indirectly highlighting what she respects and admires in you. It's a genuine form of compliment, one that speaks volumes of her interest and what she values in a partner. And hey, it's a great starting point for deeper conversations that bridge your worlds, proving that sometimes the best connections are formed in the most unexpected ways. 2. Introducing you to her social circle. When she starts bringing you into her world, introducing you to the people closest to her, that's not just a casual step, it's a leap. Think about it. When a younger woman wants you to meet her friends and family, she's not just saying, "Hey, here's someone I'm spending time with." She's putting your relationship in the spotlight, showing she's serious about you and values what you have together. This gesture is her way of seeking a seal of approval from those she trusts and respects. But more than that, it's a sign of pride. She's telling her circle, "This is the man in my life. Isn't he great?" It's a big deal, especially in the context of a society that still raises eyebrows at age gap connections. By introducing you to her inner circle, she's breaking down barriers and standing up for her choice. And here's the kicker. It's also a test of compatibility, a way for her to see how well you blend into her life. Do her friends and family like you? Do you get along with them? These interactions are more than just meet and greets. They're about weaving you into the fabric of her life. So, when this moment comes, understand its depth. It's not just about making a good impression on her friends and family. It's about embracing the opportunity to become a more significant part of her world. This step is a bold statement of her interest and commitment to whatever is brewing between you two. 3. Seeking your opinion and advice. When she turns to you for advice or eagerly listens to your opinions on everything from personal dilemmas to world events, it's not just small talk. This is her showing you respect and admiration for the wisdom and life experience you bring to the table. Think about it. Among the myriad sources of guidance she could seek out, she chooses you. This choice speaks volumes about her regard for you, seeing you not just as a companion but as a mentor and guide. This behavior goes beyond mere politeness. It's about valuing your insights and viewing you as a source of sage advice. Whether it's choosing a career path, making significant life decisions, or understanding complex world affairs, her seeking your counsel shows the trust and esteem she places in you. It's an indication of her interest in building a connection grounded in mutual respect and intellectual compatibility. So, when she asks for your perspective, see it as more than a question. It's a bridge to deeper connection, an opportunity to share not just your thoughts, but a part of your life's journey. Your experiences, successes, and even the setbacks you've navigated are a treasure trove of knowledge for her, and she's inviting you to open that vault. Remember, in these moments of exchange, it's not just about giving advice. It's about engaging in a meaningful dialogue that enriches your connection, showing her that her respect and admiration are well placed. These interactions mark the growth of a relationship that values wisdom, experience, and the unique insights that only you can provide. 4. Direct compliments and flattery. Direct compliments from her are like little beacons of interest. lighting the way to understanding how she sees you. It's not just about being nice. When she takes a moment to commend your intelligence, your wisdom, or the adept way you navigate life's ups and downs, it's her way of putting a spotlight on the qualities she admires in you. These aren't generic platitudes. They're targeted, meaningful acknowledgments of what makes you, you. Consider how it feels when she praises your problem-solving skills or the thoughtful approach you take to challenges. These moments are her showing appreciation for your mental acuity and life experiences, recognizing the depth of your character. It's her saying, "I see you, and I value what you bring to the table." This kind of flattery is far from superficial. It's grounded in a genuine respect for your attributes and achievements. Moreover, these compliments serve as a bridge, drawing you closer through a shared understanding of each other's worth. It's an invitation to engage on a deeper level, recognizing the unique perspectives each of you offers. When she singles out your strengths with her words, she's not just filling the air with niceties. She's communicating her interest and admiration in a way that's intended to resonate with you personally. So, the next time she offers you a direct compliment, take it as a sign. It's an indication of her genuine interest and a reflection of the qualities she finds most compelling about you. These moments of flattery are windows into her perspective, showing you exactly what she values in your connection. If this video is making you rethink how you date, it's time to consider our free strategy call. This 1-hour session is more than just a call. It's a tailored experience where our coaches provide you with specific, actionable advice on meeting women and dating with assurance. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The link to book is in the pinned comment. 5. Unusual attention to your life details. It's those little things, isn't it? When she remembers the smallest details about your life, your likes and dislikes, or a story you once shared, it's a clear sign she's more than just casually interested. This level of attention, it's special. She's showing you she's not only listening but storing those details because they matter to her. Why? Because you matter to her. Think about it. Remembering your favorite coffee blend and surprising you with it on a day you need a lift, or recalling that obscure band you mentioned liking once and then playing their music during a drive together. These aren't just thoughtful gestures. They're her way of saying, "I hear you, I see you, and what you like and say is important to me." This unusual attention to detail goes beyond mere memorization. It's her actively integrating the bits and pieces of information you've shared into her actions and choices when you're together. It demonstrates a genuine care and a desire to make your moments together more personal and meaningful. It's easy to overlook these signs as mere niceties, but they're actually powerful indicators of her deep interest and affection. She's investing in your happiness, taking the time to remember and act upon what makes you uniquely you. So, if she mentions something you didn't even remember telling her, take a moment to appreciate it. It's a subtle yet profound way she's showing her interest and care. 6. Physical touch and proximity. In developing connections, physical touch and proximity play starring roles, especially when deciphering a younger woman's interest in an older man. It's in the casual, seemingly accidental brush of her hand against yours, or the gentle touch on the arm while sharing a laugh. These moments, fleeting as they may seem, are her way of closing the space between you, signaling a comfort level and a desire for closer contact. But it's not just about the touch itself. It's where and when these touches occur. At a gathering, does she find reasons to stand or sit near you? In conversations, does she lean in closer than necessary? These actions are far from random. They're deliberate choices made to be near you, to share in your personal space, and to establish a physical connection that words alone cannot convey. Such gestures might appear small in isolation, but together, they weave a narrative of attraction and interest. It's her body's way of speaking up, expressing a comfort and familiarity with you that goes beyond casual acquaintance. This isn't about invading personal space, but about sharing it, a subtle invitation to let you know she's open to more profound connections. So next time you notice these small moments of touch and proximity, recognize them for what they are, signals of her interest and comfort with you. They're an integral part of the language of attraction, offering clues to her feelings that, while silent, speak volumes. Bonus tip: embracing the age gap openly. When she openly talks about and embraces the age difference between you two, seeing it not as a hurdle but as a thrilling dimension of your relationship, it's a strong signal of her genuine interest. This open acknowledgement is her way of saying she's not just okay with the age gap, she finds it appealing. It's about her recognizing and celebrating the unique blend of experiences, perspectives, and wisdom that you bring into her life, thanks to the years that separate you. This stance is far from common. In a world where age differences in relationships can often be viewed skeptically, her willingness to not only accept but also highlight this aspect of your connection sets her apart. It shows she's thinking deeply about what you share, valuing the depth and richness your experiences add to the relationship. More importantly, her openness about the age gap demonstrates a confidence in the face of societal norms and expectations. It's her way of telling the world that she's found something special, something that transcends numbers and focuses on the genuine connection and mutual respect you share. This level of honesty and acceptance is refreshing and speaks volumes about her commitment to you and the relationship. So, if she's not just navigating but actually cherishing the age difference, take it as a sign of her deep attraction and interest. It indicates she's looking at the bigger picture, focusing on the strengths and possibilities that come with your unique pairing. This acknowledgement is not just about making peace with the age gap. It's about embracing it as a key, exciting feature of what you two have together. Now that you know how older men can tell a younger woman is secretly into them, what's next? Discover techniques older men use to win over women, or learn the best compliments to give a younger woman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.